We are making Gobhi Munchurian today. So it's very easy to make. All you have to do is take a bowl of hot water and dip some cauliflower florets in it. I have used one medium cauliflower, and after that you just have to take out those florets and pat them dry on a cloth, or you can use a paper. They should be dry before you fry them. Then in a bowl, just take half cup maida, 1/4 cup cornstarch, and you can add half tablespoon of baking powder. This is to make the florets crispy. And just add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust it according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of red chili powder. You can add more if you like spicy food. And 1 cup water, and make it into a not very runny paste. You can add more water, but just make sure that the paste is not very runny or very thick. And also make sure that there are no lumps. Just dip those florets in the paste. Take some oil in a pan and heat it on a high flame. Then on a medium flame, just fry all the gobis dipped in the batter. After some time, you can lower the flame and let them cook. You can increase the flame depending on the temperature of the oil. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and just add 2 green chilies sliced, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Saute them for some time. Let the garlic turn brown. After that, you can add 3/4 cup of chopped green onion. You can use normal onion as well. Then add bell peppers. I've added green, red, yellow bell peppers. Let them cook for some time. Then you can add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and mix it. You can add more chili sauce if you like it spicy. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it properly. Add half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon